Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mom Company, a place where we discuss everything mom likes. And today we are cleaning my closet. Well, at least we're going to be cleaning the closet part of my closet. We'll reach the office part of my closet another day. My closet space is actually the guest bedroom in our house. So, of course, it has a small closet inside of it. So, this is where I'm at right now. And I just use this closet to basically house all the majority of my clothes, like 85% of my clothes. I keep in here and shoes as well. The things that I like the most or find that I want to keep on display, I keep them on my clothing rack. But anyways, I'm just going through my shirt section right here and taking out things that I have not worn in the last year. And it is very hard because there are some things where I'm just like, I'm going to get to wear it. I'm going to get to wear it, but I just never do. So I'm just being really, really hard on myself right now and making sure that I stick to the rule. If I haven't worn it in a year, it's gotta go. You guys, this was long overdue. Okay, the tops weren't too bad. So now I'm just taking this hodgepodge of clothing that I have sitting at the top. I believe they are bottoms, like skirts, that I can't really hang, or at least I don't feel like they look good on a hanger. So I just folded them neatly and put them up there. But over time, they just became one big mess. So I'm taking those down and I'm going to filter through those and give away what I have not worn in a year.
By creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Okay, we're on day number 2 of cleaning my closet, and I had the bright idea the night before to take all my coats out of this small space and put them in my husband's closet. And that just gave me so much more room, and I feel like I can see all of my clothes in this closet. I don't know why I didn't think of that before. So on this side, I keep my blazers, sweaters, cardigans, jumpsuits, dresses, and skirts. Now that I've worked on the blouses and everything hanging, I can work on the top shelving and then everything on the floor, and slowly but surely just clear everything out. And in this case, I would like to have all my purses on display on my clothing rack, so I'm going to try and organize that as well. So right now I'm just getting all of the purses off the top shelf, which is where I used to keep them, boxes and all, and I'm just trying to work them into the clothing rack. So now I'm working on my bathing suits and cover-ups and scarves, things that I can't hang and I don't want to fit in my dresser drawer. I'm going to put them in this 3-drawer storage that I purchased from Target. I will be sure to link it down below for you if you're interested in it. But I'm just going to fit everything into this bottom drawer. This is all, I'm going to name this my swimwear, pool wear, beach wear drawer. All right, back in the closet. Now we're hanging those skirts that I said that I just didn't feel like they looked good on a hanger. I don't really know what to do with them. I have to buy some storage or figure out some kind of organization, something for these skirts. Like, I just hate them on the hanger. But anyways, I'm hanging them, and I'm also folding bottoms. And if there are pants, I'm going to put them on the top shelf. If it's a skirt, I'm going to hang it as best I can on a hanger. And then I'm also moving on to shoes. I got rid of so many shoes. And if you watch my stories on Instagram, by the way, you should follow me on Instagram _ the mom company. I post a lot of content on there. And also, I was giving away shoes, like just giving them away. So you should also follow me on there to keep up with what's going on with the mom company. Anywho, that was my shameless plug. I'm just organizing my shoes. Now that I have less of them, I can line them on the bottom of my closet. And then the little peak of boxes you see to the right, those are sneakers. I'm deciding to keep those in the box. And everything else, I got rid of the boxes and just lined them at the bottom of the closet. All right, guys, this is what I have so far. My closet is really I have the guest bedroom as my closet, and it has a small closet, small walk-in, so I use that for like my real closet. And then I use this, which will be organized soon, for just things that, new things that I get and stuff I need to try on and stuff I want to show you guys. But anyways, I finally can see the floor in my closet. I got rid of all of my shoe boxes and shoes that I don't wear anymore, and I'm left with these, which I'm okay with. There's still some boxes over here, like sneakers, and old sandals that I used to wear and still feel like I can wear. I don't know, but I took my coats out and I put them in hubby's closet, and that gave me a lot of room because I had a lot of coats. So I hung up, these are tops over here. Over here are some like belts and fur accessories, skirts, dresses, blazers, sweaters, and like a, what do you call this? Like a fleece. I need to figure out how to organize my jeans, but for now they're just neatly folded at the top. I have a faux leather hat up there. Then I have all this space. This used to be like shoe boxes and bags and stuff. And I'm going to display my bags on my clothing rack. So now I have this empty space and I'm happy about it. It just makes the closet look so much bigger. And I do have a window in my closet, which is grand. But yeah, I just wanted to show you my progress because I've been procrastinating with this so bad. I'm here now. I'm here now. I'm gonna use this for my compost bin. Yeah, these are going to the compost. These are all like my dust bags for shoes and bags that I bought, sunglasses. So I like to travel with these, like for dirty laundry or just for shoes that I don't want to get smushed while traveling. So I'm gonna put these in the same bin that I put my swimwear in earlier. That's all I got for that. I don't know. Okay, so I'm kind of finished with my little wardrobe rack or whatever you want to call it. But this is what I have here, like some a blazer and some shirts, my 2 favorite pair of jeans, some slacks. I have shoes down here, but this is what I really wanted to show you guys. This is what I've come up with so far for my bags. I know it's not perfect, but this is what it is for right now. And that's it. I'll probably like rearrange it somehow, but for now I'm tired, okay? I've been at it since last night. But I'm just so glad that this side of my closet is clean, and I'll show you guys in here. That's my my kit, my makeup kit from when I used to do makeup. It has so much makeup in it. I'm going to probably give it all away, but until then, here's all my stuff. What a transformation! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. But I think I'm just gonna end the video here, and I may come with a part 2 to this side and this side. I just want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you leave a comment down below if you like this kind of content, and hit the subscribe button if you never want to miss a video from me. I appreciate. I'm trying to get those numbers up, girl. So show me some love. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.